In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Airbnb listing to new owner. We'll walk through the cleanest way to hand off control while keeping your listing's performance, reviews, and guest experience intact. The process centers on using Airbnb's co-host tools to invite the new owner, grant them full permissions, and, where available, make them the primary host so your history carries over. Start by opening your hosting dashboard and going to Listings. Choose the specific property you're handing off, then open the co-host section. Select Invite Co-host and enter the new owner's email address associated with their Airbnb account. Send the invitation and give them a heads up so they know to accept it promptly. Nothing changes on your side until they accept, so consider timing this invite in between bookings or during a quieter window to avoid confusion. If they don't already have an Airbnb account, they'll need to create one before accepting, so plan a little buffer time for that. Once they're in as a co-host, it's time to assign full permissions so they can actually run the listing. Calendar control lets the new owner open and close dates, manage minimum stays, and prevent double bookings. Pricing access enables them to set nightly rates, add discounts, and adjust fees as market conditions change. Messaging access allows them to respond to inquiries, send check-in details, and handle guest issues in real time. If it fits your arrangement, enable payout management so earnings can route according to your agreement. If you're in the middle of reservations, you may prefer to leave payouts as they are until a clear handover date. Just make sure both parties know when that change will take effect. As a best practice, confirm who is handling guest messages during the transition to avoid duplicate replies or mixed instructions. In some regions, Airbnb allows you to switch the primary host right inside the co-host area. If you see the option, select the new owner, choose Make Primary Host, and confirm. This preserves your listing's reviews and booking history under the property, which helps maintain search performance and guest trust. If you don't see the option, don't worry. Keeping the new owner as a co-host with full permissions still allows daily operations to run smoothly until that feature becomes available to you. That's the entire handover. Invite, grant permissions, and, where possible, switch the primary host after